Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Again, our good friend Charlene Patton from Topeka joining us for another exciting segment. You're making some healthy nachos, but there's a special book we wanted to talk about real quick that you all have out now.
That's right. It's the 2024 edition of the Soy Foods Guide. And gosh, it's 35 pages, it's 4-color, has all kinds of recipes in it and healthy information about why you should include soy in your diet. So when they call to get the recipes this month, ask for the new Soy Foods booklet and they'll send that to you as well.
Excellent. So a nice little tool to have in your kitchen when you're wanting to make something healthy, and we've got something amazing to make right now.
That's right. This is one of the featured recipes in that new guide, and it is a healthy nacho, and it uses textured vegetable protein, black soybeans, and we're going to combine those into making a great nacho. I'll show you what I've done here, and with the textured vegetable protein, that's what we have on display over here. It is really a high protein boost that you can give to a lot of your recipes.
Okay.
And what I did was cook that with a half a cup of the soy protein with 1/4 cup of water and then a little bit of taco seasoning. And so it's going to take on the flavor of that. You could also use broth if you wanted to. And then I sauteed onions and garlic and then stirred in that textured vegetable protein, and then you'll see we have some black soybeans in there.
Okay.
And soybeans are another reason why you should add those and use those in your tacos, because they really do add a lot of protein too. Put that on your taco shells, and then we're going to put, well, let's do the cheese sauce so I can tell you. Now, rather than, we made this cheese sauce, and this is with a tablespoon of flour and a tablespoon, I used margarine or soy product. And then what you would do then is then add 1.5 cups of plain soy milk to this.
Okay.
And then I added 1 cup of cheddar cheese. So that made our sauce. And then while in the oven, I had a jalapeno pepper that was roasted. And then I peeled that off, the skin off of it, and chopped it very fine and added to that. So we've really made our own nacho cheese sauce.
Yeah, we have.
And made a healthy version of it. Also in the oven, well, I'm going to go ahead and add the lettuce. I like to put the corn on last, but add the lettuce. And then at your house, you probably have some other condiments that you like to add. So if you want to put salsa on here now, if you want to put chopped tomatoes, salsa, whatever you want to do. But the other part of this recipe, this is crispy corn. And I took corn, it could be from the can or frozen, or you could use fresh corn. Put that on a baking sheet with taco seasoning again, and with some salt and pepper, and roast it until it's crispy. Look at that. And that's going to add another element of wonderful flavor to our nachos. And there you have it. Look at that.
Just an amazing, simple, easy to make, healthy nacho.
A healthy nacho. That's the key for National Soy Foods Month, and uses several soy ingredients.
And a lot of people, you think nachos, you don't always associate healthy with them.
Yes.
So this is a great way to still get your nachos and do so in a great way.
That's right.
All right. And of course, Charlene, if they want this recipe or any of the others, what do they need to do?
They should call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, or you can also go to our website at kansassoybeans.org.
All right, Charlene, thank you so much again for joining us. And of course, we'll have this on our website as well at KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.